iconic buildings of Stockholm.
Wanted too much, we lose it so fast. What you try to control never seems to last. It feels criminal, hypocritical. But I can change it to what I'm feeling. I just pretend like I don't even really see it. Yeah, it's all good now. What about forever? Secretly inside, I'm dying emotion.
We are in Stockholm now, so we're just gonna walk around the entire area. So we only have 1 day, 1.5 day to be exact, in Stockholm. So we're gonna head to Gamla Stan today and head to sooo, if I'm not wrong. It's a beautiful day today. Weather's perfect. Not too hot, not too windy.
How can we not visit IKEA when we are at Sweden?
Is that right? Even here you go.
Oh, there's two layers.
So you can enjoy from.
Oh my god.
We are currently at their Parliament House. Where's Gamla?
In front.
Oh, that one?
Yes.
So you have to walk through the Parliament to reach Gamla Stan, I guess.
I mean, there's another bridge at the other side also lah.
Oh well.
Oh my god. Look at the bears
Oh, there.
behind you.
We are now in Gamla Stan. There's a lot of shops, like small souvenir shops, and as well as like cafes, like restaurants. We should get some churros.
你要买啊？啊？多少钱？啊？
它是布来的，那些是 bag，就是 table。
You want to buy enquiries?
Iconic buildings of Stockholm, or I would say Gamla Stan. So we are just in the middle of Gamla Stan, and then we walk around. It took us like about an hour or two. You can walk, and if you want to eat here, sure, go ahead. But we didn't eat here, we ate.
We just have a snack.
Yeah, just a snack, like a bakery. But all good, it's a nice place to visit. So now we are heading to sooo to eat lunch, which is pickle for the meatball for the people. So basically we are from this area. We went to Gamla Stan, which is in the center, and now we are heading over the other side of Gamla Stan. So
We are all walking today.
yes.
Not taking any public transport.
I'm not saying that.
We're pressing out now.
We are at meatball for the people to have lunch. So they have to order one per person. Yeah, one plate per person. So yeah, we wanted to share, but yeah, I guess we just have to eat it in.
I got the salmon one. chicken.
Oily gas feature is just, yeah.
It probably should exist.
That's what I'm saying. That's the
That's
difference.
mashed potato.
Different things.
Mashed potato.
There's like you can literally see the salmon flesh here.
They don't call
Like salmon meat.
So we are heading for dinner right now. We're heading to this fish restaurant. Actually, I don't really know how to pronounce its name. But yeah,
Fish.
we're having fish. Is that a fish and chips or fish soup? Yeah. So I'll just show you guys when I'm there.
This is fried herring, but it's a little bit different from the one that we see in Amsterdam. Let's try. 好吃哎 They have small little bones here, but I think you can just eat it. 工人价。哇，hot warm soup when it's cold. 好喝，越喝越好喝。第一口有点怪，然后越喝越好喝。再来一个。Just finished our dinner. It was so good.
Soup in the cold weather.
Yep, and we are going to walk around the area right now. We are visiting some drugstore just to see what products they have. Penny cream.
Wrinkles and lines.
Oh my gosh.
This is their brand.
不错啊 Can see a lot of stuff. Yeah.
So basically this stretch has a lot of female clothing and different brands that I have not seen before. Maybe it's their Swedish or Europe brand that I'm not sure, but it's really, their clothes is really nice.
Bro. 你可以给他1 second. One sec, 应该外面是这样。
Today is our last half day in Stockholm, and then we are heading to this bakery, I would say a cake shop, to get princess cake, which is a Stockholm, I would guess, a delight. So yeah, and we made a pit stop to grab a bag.
Let me show you.
just had our princess cake and we ordered another cake called Oscar too. I think that's an almond kind of
Caramel.
cake. Yeah. So that was really sweet for my liking. But the princess cake, I don't really know how to describe. But they uses the berries here, which is quite sour at the bottom, but the top isn't very sweet. But I wanted to try this thing called semla. It's a Swedish eclair, but apparently it's out of season. It's only from New Year's to Easter. So if you are here during this timing, you can try it. So this is another food hall that we found in Sweden. And it's similar to the one that we see in Copenhagen as well. But this is a bit more expensive, I would say. But we're not eating here, we're just here to take a look.